mfana, spend wise. Because you know ukuthi magniwa uyobuyela ku-clip. You understand? So 500 amagene 500k makhula.
Shaba, you know about money, ne? Let me explain something to you about money. Number one, money brings fake love. Number one, money brings fake love. Number two, there's something that people don't know when it comes to girls. In this kawatayo thina esamachita nemali ilento le. Yabona le. Lesesibonile. Convince le. And le ihambelana nama feelings from lapho child. Se osboning Shaba, uhlala uyazi lento le. Leso sibonayo. Le lento le iconvince ude brother ngapha yabona brother ude brother uvalana nama feelings if maybe bathi inhliziyo yebonayo maybe ngabe asithandana nalabantu laba akwa madomkopo ama social media girls but anyeke uphikisa amehlo because amehlo into ayibonayo if amehlo abona uThatho yaza thina amehlo athi hola atshela lo ekusay kimoni kena uthuthu uyalwa
Inhliziyo ijayi
inhliziyo iconvince ubani utama feelings so i problem iwani Shaba inyuke by it brings fake love and leyo ngekuyivimbi ngikufuna bathi strong it depends nokuthi ukhuliswe kanjani yeah it depends nokuthi ukhuliswe kanjani but a lot of money brings fake love because that's why wonke umuntu uzokutshela ukuthi all right Jukujuku wamawalawala wamavulavala wamawida wama-international mfana kacheck umfana today bafethu today it's a special episode today it's a special edition we recapping bafethu wonke ama-episode ayi-3 lawa mesiwabhekelele kuphi ku-season 3 bafethu episode kalangamani ekatukelo ranti ekamasibusane zongo maka niyaza ngihambe ngiyi-1 bafethu ngihamba nabantwana basekhaya ngihamba nosisi wethu omuhle ngihamba nentwana yami ushabo wama-2k for now cela ukubulisa uThatho hi how are you sikhali kusawuboni
I know
sharp my darling
I'm good wena
sharp ake mna
That's good.
Azakhuluma English bashe.
Hayi namhlanje
Raki boss khwafela vele makhula.
mnani ntana
Mnandi Thato.
Hi.
Okay.
I'm good.
Wena
Sharp.
Sharp.
That's good.
yeah so bangani bam today we going to be recapping episode ka Tukelo Ranti.
Yes.
Yeah so bheka ukuthi what is what since kule episode what is it that ungayikhuluma ngale episode
I think going back to most of the comments from the episode, abantu abaningi bakhuluma ngemali.
okay
It's just about them bottling money, and it's like they always have a sad story to begin with.
okay
Bengihlupheka, hey mali this, and as soon as they get the money, it's like
Things change.
Yeah.
From where I come from, we didn't have infrastructures to actually expose ourselves to the sport
yeah.
itself. Re tswa malapeng a poor as the soccer player because it's very seldom where you can a soccer player from
Like a cheese boy
cheese
type
boy type of vibe. I used to sleep under the bridge, you know, when you go to Braamfontein.
You had a big move to the UK. How was that experience?
It was unbelievable. Utluwa mo kholanga khwedi. Uya mo kholanga beki. We are talking serious money now.
emona umputsa khanyana utswa ku 3.5 so o tlo gola ka beke o gola bokae ka beke nako
What was the gap between?
It was huge. It was enough to purchase 2 houses, maybe somewhere in the
there was no way ho ka dula sa
A
shape
week.
chop
That's per week.
Nane se ke ai bona banka ka nna ke letletse da so
No point.
le ke kele teki ke lo chila yeah ke lo chila to sign ko teki ne ke la lo chila.
So a lot of comments were like, Kanti, why is there no financial literacy for these soccer players to know how to manage money, how to use money, etc.? So we can start about, like, okay, what do you feel about how they spend, starting from the bottom?
I love the fact that the comment section.
Yeah.
Because I also saw there's a comment, I think Abram, speaking about the the agent. Coach Farouk, he was just there for money.
Oh, I saw the comment.
Yeah, ngaba tlwetse Ranti adlale go Pirates. So he chose Coach Farouk Chorena na itletse chelete, then done. He didn't care about career ngwana ba chore. It's a majwang. It also go back to tabadi financial
advisors.
Actually, wabo gore since the story sa Tukelo from the beginning. Nanzabu, Coach Farouk. I feel like Lena and Santi maybe badladile a certain role in terms of help agadi finance because I don't want to be a bit
But also, Askis, do you think they have the player's best interest ka tšhelete, because I get what let's say signing on fee is a million rand. I'm gonna get 400k or 500k. Do they care what you do with the rest? Because you know
those people, they don't even care. And most of the time, I think they target those ones that they were never raised with a silver spoon in their mouth. And I think they also target the ones basang skolong. Looking back go episode ya Tukelo Rand, you can't be happy that also your next first thing that you buy iPhone.
Yeah.
Like he was happy that he bought an iPhone.
Yeah.
So normally we used to come with the bus. It was Friday morning. After the friendly game, we went back to the academy.
Okay.
And around 4 or 5, Farouk gave me a call and said, come to the academy. Come to my house, I'm sorry.
Okay.
When I got there, he told me straight, Pirates want to sign you. I was using 3310 or 10. I was like, now I'm going to buy myself an iPhone.
That must have been exciting though.
Yeah, because now, you know, the good thing about this whole thing was calling my mom.
I was about to say, who's the first person you called? I was literally about to ask you.
When I was born,
no, my
because unasakulu,
And
but it just shows the poor background that we come from.
yes.
How to let's say no.
Yeah.
Ukontlung, how na chelta borotho. Upanda 20 rand to reka albani, go back home. And then in your head, you're like, okay, once I make it, and then once you make it, you forget about bread. You go for the rep, the tortillas. Yeah. Why don't you remember what your mentality was when you were still broke?
But I feel like Utukelo, gula episode. Yena vele beka prioritize edlaleni. I understand Mauti lento ukuthi ujabulise ukuthi uthenge iPhone, but asibhenge elinye ilihlo makhula ukuzijabulisa inhliziyo.
From sleeping under the bridge, I would. Yeah, I get it.
Because mara
angithi mina ngimdala guys. Mina ngikhula ngazi ukuthiwa i-first pay yakho uyineka umama kho yonke.
Yeah.
You can't say i-first pay yakho ujabule ukuthi uthenge iPhone then wababhekele edlaleni. That's a very
but also
he didn't say with my first pay I bought an iPhone.
Yes.
Uthe ngithe mangiza ukuthi ngizohola. My first thing, no, sengizoba iPhone.
Yeah. Mamela, all I'm saying is, look okay, they know, okay, you get your first pay. You still have to go to work. You need transport money. You need to eat. So, let's say first pay was 5K. Abafa kontlunki 5K. It's my first pay. Kopaling blessing, whatever. Okay, toke loki 1,000. Otabona robona jang during the month. Maybe kadina go to iPhone ka 1,000 EU. But all I'm saying is, why now do you get 5,000? And now so bata will change the way you live. Yeah, but why?
Baby.
Why is na responsibility? Financial responsibility.
I think school and remember these boys, all these soccer players, they get pressure from home. Remember who once you start make it, ne? Li mamkhulu ole na saunagi, li cousin Ellen is about to next ka wena. Ya qala jwanong ya ona.
You know when you come from a poor background. You try and do everything for everyone. You don't. So for me, that was the happiest day of my life. That's so,
how say na so esucho coming from a poor background, hwakala cousin maybe. People like, did you face the challenge about Bane Basa support?
Yeah.
Because it always happens to every soccer player once you start making it. I think you only counted 3 people, whereby you counted your 2 sisters and your mom.
Yeah.
So I want to know,
extended family.
No, because I can't nage fama maka chelet.
Okay.
So you know not lafa bahabona chelet if by shoga, not from it's from na. In person.
Bona ne basathle ko wena directly o tlo kopa.
Ba ngudisitse site la mamaka. So everything ba ne ba ihloka ne ke yetsa. But ne ke fa mamaka.
And there's this party since when na khalekele spacing sa di soccer player. You know badula ba lakang. Ne badula ka gore ha le soccer player gona le motho wa ngwanyana kweno o ba le blood because ka fela ntwana tsa ka ziba tla mo prekisa.
Ba shebile
wena. And obvious ngwana kweno wa ngwanyana tlo ba le bana ba 6. Mentality and mentality majita ke yona e ya gore ya he no batla shango la go ka spatsa ngwana go tukolo gantsi batla mo feel aka
it's wild
but I cover je enye into ne ngoranti like mina ngibona athi Godmani nenhlize grand at some point emkhathi because uyamuzwa from makhuluma ukuthi bengenza mfethu and benginceda like from labantu bengilala nabo emabridgini abantu abasekasi shoot yanke wazi ukungena le call uthi mfethu khabo sibanibani udinga into kanje athi neke help yabo and uyasazi thina bodakhi ukuthi sinjani you understand sifuna laba vele laba abangathi banceda kakhulu sikwazi ukubakhawaje because you can tell ukuthi umjidi inhliziyo yakhe enhle at some point ukhawatheke into ezibhaya
what's it everyone what's it if you are from a poor family kapa background esing handle o batla o thusa motho mo uplift batho ba ba
because you know how it feels to be there
yeah and there are a lot of people when like about thusitseng but a ke batle po media post or ke rekile di tekitse tene for this family or this no
Tabaya Bridge, the people that no dula bona ko bridging, are you still in contact with any of them? Ukila ba bona when you were professional, so big like
I used to go to them. Yeah, ne re hlola ke ba jwetsa iblana ke la re ka phone for one of them because unona le mona tshwara ditogo teng and una gona ga charge phone. So ne ke gona mo jwetsa ke re if ke la around to kitle South Africa ke ba phone ela. A re kopane McDonald ke tla etsa whatever ke etsang which I can name unfortunately.
But I don't feel like there's anything wrong with going back to help the people that helped you. Because I feel like Nagu bridge situation, the people that he was with, bamkhuthazile in a way. If the guy won under that bridge, he would have been scared or Avena decided to say I'm sign, this is not going to work for me. We don't know the conversations they had. So it's not a bad thing to go look out for the people that helped you come up. My issue is now you're playing overseas. He was telling us about euros per week.
Yes.
Now you forget about Ikaya and responsibilities, and now it's Orikile Gina 500,000.
And remember,
And I got 500,000.
500,000. He said, "Take Gina 500,000." I was like,
Yeah, negative. Yeah. Too much.
You.
It was more than enough for someone my age and without proper guidance. That's where things were like, okay, now you can spend 500,000 rand in one go.
One go, like we mean one go.
like
You can buy 2 jeans.
500,000
in one go.
2
2 jeans and a t-shirt.
oh, ka understand
Or a jacket.
I will pay the gape
500,000 rand.
500,000 rand. Okay, take a jeans. They two, keep it. They two. It will depend on which brand.
Can I ask you, like, okay, Kadile, when did your mind get to, I want to be a big spender now?
Because I was getting paid every Sunday.
ha tla ka story sa gae if sa buimaka
Yeah.
azanga mention taba ya gae se sa bua ka overseas remember ha mention anything ya gae o qinne na kwela mention
Ko Pirates.
Pirates atla so he never mentioned gore ha ke le off overseas ne ke ya yeso
Or ke
That's like
romela
he
Yesu.
forgot. As soon as the money started coming in, it was about him. Sele Tukelo Rantino, superstar.
Medi e mara le di medi di paisana
Ane?
ga bantwana e medi I think le go ba le msadi o rata sampano le relevant there's a lot of
Not
soccer-
all. You can't
Kaofela.
generalize. You can't generalize.
Sharp,
You can't generalize.
Sharp, Mamel, kopo mention 7 soccer players that you know ba sa tlhole ba dlalang bolo sampano ba le happy le merit mention 7
I'm going to mention one.
okay don't mention one
Why
mention-
not? I
You like to
can.
mention- okay
Mara, no, you can't now with Tukelo an
I know
example for all soccer
you're gonna say
players.
Simphiwe Shabalala, you're gonna say Happy Chele.
Why not? No, I Happy Jela, I'm not sure if he's still married.
he's still-
Yeah,
he's
but
still.
that thing is, Jugo, you can't generalize. Kamutu Oiwan, about example, can soccer player because of one
Okay, like
person.
man, so
Mara igcwele kanjalo sisithathu. I'm not trying to say uSjugu vele uringa ivaru ukuthi
Yeah.
every soccer
Yeah.
player
That's my only thing. Don't say every.
yetho mara
But things,
ubababo
really, yeah.
ubababo bayakhawateka when it
But
comes to inside.
what if now we also blame the men? Let the soccer player take responsibility. As soon as na aqala ukubona imali eningengena akasana interest in family home. Sekabheka ukuthi sengisestradini manje. I want cars, I want clubs, I want alcohol, I want.
Now
you
you
forget.
thole kuwe lento ema clubs and cars and
No,
what
but the money was not the same. But the money was not the same.
Thato,
No,
mungasadlali
the money
ibhola.
was not the
Let me tell
same.
you something. Mungasadlali ibhola. I-lifestyle asafana secaleni. Imedia kujwayele ukuyibhala imeke ibheke 30,000. Awusakhona ukuyithengela ibheke 30,000. Instead, so uthola 30,000 wena.
But it doesn't matter. If a person loves you, they don't care what you buy for them. I can't That's the thing. You guys are just looking at material things. Leave it at that. Salary at 30K, you can compare the salary at 1 million.
lemside inojolelene ko baroka ungasithwana lemside wakho Pirates.
Why?
Yeah, iba change
Why?
ikanje.
Checking.
Awushado.
You're the one that changes. It's your money. It's not my money.
Never, Thato.
You're the one that changes.
Thato.
The dynamic kontlung ya change because of
ka se be
you.
msadi wa ka nako le sampane ke dlala mvela wa ba msadi wa ka sampane le the same way se ke dlala Man City
Why?
le bafana
Why can't you?
o tlo change lifestyle tšhelete change
That's why yes, but now you're changing that lifestyle. If now ke jola lwena Sjugune o gola 5,000. Now so gola 30,000. O gona ngrekela di Galaxy Boy o gona kwena changing lifestyle ya ka. You can't expect me to act like I did when I had 5,000 rand. Ona no phela never basangiphapela ku ka so ke ja dikota.
Yacaba
Ke ja Tebonias no.
like ngiyakuzwa and lento isho askisi yazi ngiyaqala ukuvumelana nawe ne sithando sami ne ubamba la and like ngingakuzwa kazi maybe it's your English sometimes yeah it's true
And-
because when you were still at Baroka you were gonna buy me the Mr Price again
Yes, but
Then
now
I
so
get
look
like,
at Chiefs or reka Galaxy Boy. And now so look overseas ke rapara LV. Guys, it's different.
flop ya machita ne
so singa blame amantombazane guys
No,
when I'm learning
you're the
something
one.
from
Yeah,
you.
you can't.
yazi enye flop ini namakhula. When it comes to amachita disk ku rare ukuthi asuke necherry from Vodacom ancenge NFD baroka Richards Bay yabo gabhaya I think ba change ama team the way ba change ama team ngakhona ba change nito etho manguba roka obviously ngizozibambela umntwana selimpopo nyagereza ngisaphusha ngisahola bo ma 15 20 manje ku Pirates ke obviously ngilanda umntwana semi-trend.
But you guys remember there was a time we had a conversation.
The center part.
There was a time wait, ke batla le bala point ya Shaba wait. No, ke batla le two but it's this point. There was a time in season 3 we had a conversation about you're not dating o jola le motho o because ke motho o mo kgonang financially for now. And when you start making that money that you want, you go for your type. You guys even agreed on that. I think Thandani was also there. Gore hona none because o dlala baroka o jola le thato. But now fitla go Chiefs, Pirates, then you go for Mihlali.
Yes.
You know, yeah. So it's not our fault. Ke lona, the change happens because of y'all.
Let me tell you something. Phela wazi ukuthi into special manje ama DM. Manje sekusebenza DM. Yazi hey wena ungangitshela ukuthi manje
So all you're telling me is men are not loyal.
Cristiano Ronaldo kausha ka hey ujola umuntu odlala ngibaroka utlo ignore.
Yeah, Vel.
Ofeja man.
Some of us have morals, guys. You must understand. You guys don't have
something.
loyalty.
Oh, Shaba, khona into engifuna ukubuza yona. When you say mid-trend, there's this thing that I always wanted to ask you, Shaba, and like noma ngihleli la ngihlala khona iyangidla because usually no, you know mina mengikhula ne ngepick yama soccer player, ngepick yami yokujolisa ama soccer player. These soccer players never corrupt, ne? In the south or in the west. So there's this thing ya mid-trend, everybody dula mid-trend.
Yeah,
manje through the yabo mid-trend ikenzakalana. Maybe le bona botukelo rand tukila dula mid-trend.
Yazi mid-trend kambani makhula.
Ila ama players akhona imali.
Not only players.
Nani?
Wonke umuntu nje ose o top usifune mid-trend because it's the center.
But wasn't there a stigma but mid-trend abana furniture and
Exactly. Mara wonke umuntu manje usifune mid-trend because why mangidlala idisk. Itlorkop nayi. Natural ngivele ngithi boma 25 minutes drive.
Ngifuna ukujava ePitori.
We understand mangifuna ukujava ePitori nanoma off. It's not only about to get spanning kuphela. Uyacabanga ukuthi noma off na ithembisa la. Na ePitori la. Na lijuice na iSandton la. We understand. So that's why ububhaya babo basifune mid-trend. And neinsiza zara.
Yes.
Abochira bahlala mid-trend mfethu.
Bayenzani?
Bahle. That's why amajita mfethu anganyeke. Awuna ngiba play emakhula ngeke.
Kanjani?
Etho bahle labantwana. And baba enzisa
Can I ask you something? Abantwana abahlala mid-trend, are those girls from Jozi or outside Jozi?
makhula just like abantu base South abahlala emasababhini ase South abantu bava from different places. You understand? Mara siphumene endabeni einsiza. Lasibuyela kutukelo ranti nendaba
ze. Siyangena kuzo because naye uyiphathe into emdistractile. Ngakhohla naye imedi
because he's going through a divorce,
right? Uhamba for divorce manje ngathi uyahlanganyana phela that boy mega sharp.
Utukelo randi akafikanga or kanti sekathula 500,000 or sekahola a week athola amajinwe uqale. You remember there was a time where aloka athola ama allowance akuthe ukuthi I think mawithuna ngayi yenza boma 3 point something 4 point something. So it didn't just start boom.
How le busy ka di loan is there like security, like financially, also knowing that you are stable where you are?
Yes, but Hasi basically go Sweden. It was not a salary. It was allowance. because I didn't have work permit. So ngasiholi. You know, I had to go sebetsa every day. There was a factory, the owner of Hasselom, owner factory, the frozen meat. So I had to get to sing. It was me, Ayanda Nkili, and Andy Letlaba. We had to get to sing because national colonels na license so bang file di bike go.
Khona ka ya.
Yeah. So we are there. So lo sebetsa lo khwele mo thola everyone on afua trailer ya high. Ngabo o sebetsa batho ba re fa diaparo tse tsa go teng tsa o
The white stuff, the overall.
yeah, but it's a heavy it's also clean mahatse. After that ka for utlo tlamelo bole training, and then that's when the team started declining in terms of performance because batho ba ne ba isebeletsa ba khathetse yeah, up until our captain. I still respect that guy even today. Lebitso la ke Bobby Nelson. So ne re dula front tjele so na khona o tla hore okay, chance ke a bona hore team ya sa etsa kapa beria o yena re loka di matchelete because maybe mahlangu re tlo ho nna dula like a town an hour away from us. Aba no ya ngo Bobby a le ka di mezaka nna ke tla le fa yona ha le khutla le tlo kanti ke payday that time. Yeah, that's when ke bona go tseba ke certain things itlamelo be bhlalenyana ka tsona bona o ditsi so le na re botsa our captain o re ai Machita re khotse ka ofela lona le ntsing ka chelete re gao lo khotse rona re tsebile go a kgolwa timini rona ntse re tswa msebetsing kwa kanti di allowance tseo re di sebeletsa kwa.
Yeah, but that's when he didn't have money because beka shona ukuthi beka vuka ekseni aye ku training asuke ku training hamba yosebenza eButcher. From Butcher back to training and then back home. So you having to have a job while you're playing for a team overseas just says something. You're broke. That time thina simpekile we show ukuthi umuntu uphila kamnandi la khona. Uyavuka every day lo muntu emsebenzini. So he had 2 jobs. And then allowance in level guys, so was it like sustainable?
It's 500 Swedish krona.
So ka di
romela lona 200 a ke tsebe no isetsa bokae o romela lona 200 re ka time ka 100
Bokela mlomong khanyana skis. So go tjho gore a re le bona re dutse go dintlong le tswa di overseas ka di packets tsa di Louis Vuitton re le bona le shapile mabanta o tua la sebetsa le femong
Roots ngwana.
yeah like akande emvethe bona root boxer
yazi makhula mfethu yazi usithatha maringa kanje noma ngicabanga le episode the way utokela beka istory sakhe ngakhona ne you know what I love though ukuthi ushilo ukuthi ayikakapheleli indaba yami so there are a lot of things maybe uzothi masekabuya unpackela zona grand that's where we'll get to know ukuthi kahle yenzakaleni but with what we've heard and njengoba phela ne divorce mina ngizwa ngakho because mangibheke episode he just said he's going through some personal things and akakafuni ukuzidisclose manje and all that but let's check Makhula ophayizisekile or kanti you were adding imali encane and uyazi ukuthi you're supposed to ukuthi earn imali kanje but because of izinto ezenzakalayo now you get to the bag like egrot. What makes you think manje hayi ngayenza kuphela because jo mina azi Makhula ne nanoma impilo ngangibeka phi ne but ngiyacabanga ukuthi esani phela there was a time where ngilwele lento le mhlambe I'd go to SABC Studios basikhafa ama clip. Now when I get 10,000 rand 15,000 rand ngiyacabanga ukuthi the very same studio ngengazala ngithola clip and that on its own uyakwazi ukugala into ethi mfana spend wise because you know ukuthi makunyiwa uyobuyela ku clip. You understand? So 500 imagine 500k Makhula.
Shaba, you know about money, ne? Let me explain something to you about money. Number one, money brings fake love. Number one, money brings fake love. Number two, there's something that people don't know when it comes to girls. In this kawatayo thina esamachita nemali ilento le. Yabona le. Lesesibonile. Convince le. And le ihambelana nama feelings from lapho child. Se osboning Shaba, uhlala uyazi lento le. Leso sibonayo. lento le iconvince ule brother ngapha yabona le brother ule brother uvalana nama feelings if maybe athi inhliziyo yebonayo maybe ngabe asithandana nalabantu laba akwa madomkopo ama social media girls but anyeke uphikisa amehlo because amehlo into ayibonayo
Yeah.
if amehlo abona uthathu yaza thina amehlo athi hola atshela lo eksay kimoni
kena
uthuthu uyalwa
inhliziyo ijayi
inhliziyo iconvince ubani utama feelings so iproblem i1 sharp inyuke by it brings fake love and leyo ngekuyivimbi ngikufuna bathi strong it depends nokuthi ukhuliswe kanjani yeah it depends nokuthi ukhuliswe kanjani
Yeah.
but a lot of money brings fake love because that's why wonke umuntu uzokutshela ukuthi all right hayi right
But I
sharp
How we
think
wrong,
also,
ne?
no,
uzoba
also,
wrong kanjani because uyasaba ukutshela abantu bayasala phela uyasala thina sikhula sala yazi wena shaba sikhula sala thina
wesala
thina nathathu abathathu nabo bayazi meba nokupinya pinyana lapha way back ngiyangithola uyasala once so notukelo kanti azange athola igadi into sharp and enye into ekhawata ama soccer player yazini ilento lokubonisa ukuthi ni lazy nga one thing umuntu ukhona ukuthi aye emagroundini ayo spenda adlala ama tournament ayi40 holiday yangakhali ngokuthi ukhathele nini but so nemali just going to work for 2 hours then you start
You're tired, yeah. Oh, ngiyashisa, yeah.
umzimba wami kupa doctor
but Sugar, also, he mentioned on the episode, Hori.
I only made a lot of money in England, not in
Other countries.
Sweden.
But when you
or
moved
other
to Turkey, they look comfortable.
I had to invest more. Go high. I had to get it about to. So, yeah, the money was enough for now pile, but it was not enough for pile this long. Okay, till now. Basically.
You thought it's enough.
So, I thought it's enough.
He felt like he had more than enough money to last him.
idomkopo le nto leyo
That's what he
enough money
said.
udlala ibhola
That's
you
exactly
feel like
what he
you have
said.
enough money
He's like, "Chelete kangaka."
mali mekangazi ukuthi ayenzeni ngayo
It's a lot of money that could
I
last
mean, I
me.
feel like I salary poll if you want, Joe. Like, le mali is
Yeah.
if you want.
Ifuna ukuyibamba ifuna
Ingene
ukuyibamba
boom.
ifuna
Like,
ukuyibamba
ingena yonke boom, phuma yonke boom.
ifuna uyibamba into yabona if you want ifuna uyibambe so right yona if you want
Hey, Joe.
Don't imali if you want asiyebhola kuphela
Ay mara Joe, like yazwa ngisho ngithi etiski. Like ifana neimali zabo ref, imali zokuphumela amafa
like
ini.
kuphu, and then-
Iningi ngathi makhula. Ngena mo 2 meter.
No, eref.
Atsho la majita awspendanga
Eref is
20,000, 50,000. Umuntu uzokutshela ukuthi bengiphethe 1.5 M.
hayi eref story sinye at least ebhola because eref phela that's why bonke after imali yakho icede ukuphela bayahlanya phela leyo izohlela ekhoneni
Awunani ba-
Mana abebhola uhlezi
Awunani
uthi
babhola
nahlanya.
bahlanya, lwena you said
Nabo
the same,
futhi
yeah.
futhi hayi bekahlanya
Ayisengile
kancane
yabona.
futhi wona
ebhola
bomamejana.
mayiphelile bayenzani sebaqala babhekelela ibhola abanye sebayakwata kusheba ibhola nikusadlala ifona nakasheba ibhola ufano siyaqala ukuthi hey ke khona ke go isa di training ko France bayaqala bayahlanya ibhola abebhola yibi problem yabo
So what do we do? What's the solution?
about like gore
Like what's the way forward?
okay but besides
Wena
before we
personally, what
forward
do you
before we
think?
forward
Yeah.
do you think when the team say do they teach these boys ka chelete do these boys have financial advisors ku ditlapong
I think the thing, right?
ai
I don't know. I think no, you're asking for my opinion.
ai diteng di financial
You're
advisor
asking for my opinion. I think they're there, ne?
so why to go on the side
Shh.
okay
You're gonna ask me something and listen.
okay babe
There's been times where go high school,
okay
but let's say the mentor. You guys, because you are good in what you must. We advise you to study 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 because you're good in 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And as soon as you're done with high school, because it's what I want. You'll come and you advise them, guys. You're getting 30K. At least the 5K for a rainy day. Because you guys still have responsibilities, you have the debts that you have to.
Yes.
So bang for just a rainy day.
Yes.
The mentor di memoria bua.
okay sharp
The mentors di memoria bua. La dumela. Team, the whole team. Yes. Letswe. Who can 30K? Bafana re enko kai.
Yeah, I think vele as a ubane choice.
Yes,
Ile
it's
nto
your
uthi, hayi,
money. It's your money.
Back advisor, but it's up to you at the end of
Whether
the
you
day.
take it or not.
That's why Empire ikhawata machita. Because makhula uyacava nasisikele bebasitshele hey after matric study you have to go to vet amabhazari in what but at the end of the day kukuwe kuthwenzani.
guys let me tell you something akho izu ukubeka imali abantu abakhona ukubeka imali abantu abayi2 yilabo abakhula la phansi kwemali abantu abasharp yilo othola second chance for example lo soccer players wena do you think uBrighton wena
Makhula iphinde
than before
iphinde
yilabo abakhulela phansi kwemali
Abo
abakho sharp
yes.
yilabo abathola second chance yibo abantu abakhona ukubeka imali
Yeah.
Wena do you
Because
think
it's
ngenzela example?
experience,
Angifuna ngenzela
yeah.
example ukuthi do you think uBrighton wena manje angagcwalisa ikhula box? Phela manje ngiykhula box so ingake ebhuti. Ngiyakutshela manje yabo Brighton asebeyasave yambona nekhanda seleyasebenza. Straight.
No, kuyawudla ne? But guys, here's a smart move for the real football fans. What if every time your team scores, you get one step closer to your savings goal? With the new Absa Savings Coach, you can create a goal and automate your contributions. No stress, no second guessing. You just set it once and let it run. Whether you're saving for new boots, or a trip to see the squad live, or just future flex, this is your game plan. It's on the Absa banking app right now. Search Savings Coach and make every match count. Don't forget, Absa is an authorized FSP and registered credit provider. T's and C's apply.
Plus the player rata o coach you and there is Absa savings coach.
Yes.
And like what's along like the savings coach like go Absa.
Akere ke moya o thusa gore o kgone ba le plan.
So yaqeqesha kahle ngokwayo.
A plan, game plan is the most important thing.
Siyabonga iAbsa kusho ukuthi imali manje shaba yasikenzakala. Lama soccer players sekumele manje abeke imali eAbsa. Siyabonga bathi Absa T's and C's apply intwana yani.
So
Ubona kanjalo nawe?
iyobanceda ukuthi bakwazi ukusave ne
Yeah.
for future.
And also it's exciting.
Plus yabuza nale usho ngakhona ama soccer player Dom bathi these can be able to flex athanda ukuflex ama soccer player athanda ama trip vele.
Yeah.
No
But
flex.
it's not also just about soccer players. I mean, a lot of people would love to see their squads
Yeah, nama
live.
artists, ama artists amaningi nawo wasave.
Yeah.
Ama artists awasave because ama artists nawo phila njengama soccer player.
When
Even actors, yes.
I'm artist. When I'm out big.
Aye, ama just aphilisa riap mfethu like
But it's like soccer players.
you know what's said with soccer players is that me as an artist career yami I guaranteed ukuthi even at the age of 40 as long as talent I can still do it. But with football, you cannot play football at the
Yeah,
age of
she
50.
talent la sustain imali.
Joe.
I feel like there's a lot of talented people that are
Talent
out.
doesn't go alone.
Exactly.
Yes, you're
That's
right.
true.
Talent doesn't go alone. It needs luck.
Yeah.
But what I'm trying to say is, as an artist, indlela zokubuya zipaya than being a soccer player. Like
Yeah, that's
as
true.
a footballer, after disc, mawufuna ukubuya.
Coach.
It's either you want to be a coach
Commentary.
or be an analyst, a studio. You understand? Sekuyindlela zokubuya. Besides the of the, you understand? But with an artist, okwazi ukuthola umuntu mhlambe samgcina ngekwaito then bakwazi ukumvumbula they do a song then
That's true,
he's
yeah.
back. So bafethu, where's the camera? Bafethu, ngicela saving. Saving.
Yeah. Bekani imali banking, guys. Don't take it out. Don't eat it with your girlfriends.
Amakhula kumele singene ngeAbsa.
Kumele singene ngayo. And bafethu mamelani tuni nentwana ezidlala idisk nizwile bafethu. Absa has a saving coach and whereby now no coach grounding. So I believe iba dabo coach ayi2 bafethu. Coach grounding no coach wase Absa. So Thato mamela wena ka motho ga o tlwetsang since wena le lobula Absa saving coach go lo batla o tseba ka Absa saving coach. O tlwetsa jang motho motho ka letsogo ile ena mall.
No, we're not savvy. Just Google, get everything on, do it online. We don't need to go there.
So it's also online, eh?
Yeah, just Google. If how can we go branching or anything, just Google Absa Savings Coach. You'll get all the information you need.
Ayi ukhulumile makhulu athi bana bakajiko bana batonight.
Yeah, izinto ezenzakala namhlanje. But manje bafethu sithanda ukuyivala le recap lena bafethu uyaKaTokelo Ranji so buya ngenye recap sithi thank impilo thank imali. Ningakhohlwa bafethu ukusavani nini Absa asibonge.